It's about 11 o'clock on Sunday, January 24th, 2016. We have a snowcat who didn't realize that there was snow on the porch, and now he is not happy about it. Poor Pepe. Poor Pepe. Oh, the bird went by. Okay, this is the snow buildup on the porch. As you can see, it's been blown by the wind. We have the... Oh, cat came back in. Got the van. As you can tell, the snow has stopped. And there's still a lot of snow out there. On the cars, the snow is up to the bottom of the van door. So that's not coming off anytime soon. And there's someone walking by. Obviously that car's not been out. Expect a lot more activity to go on today.